How to remove stabilization in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and go to the timeline where your clip is placed. Next, select the clip that already has stabilization applied. Then, go to the inspector panel on the top right side of the screen. If you don't see it, click on the inspector button to make it visible. Now, scroll down inside the inspector panel until you find the stabilization section. This is where all the stabilization settings are located. To remove stabilization, just uncheck the box next to stabilization. Once you do that, the effect will be turned off and your clip will return to its original movement. If you used stabilization from the color page instead of the cut or edit page, go to the color page and select the same clip. Then, in the middle panel, look for the tracker tab. Now, find the stabilizer and click on reset. After that, play the clip to check if the stabilization is fully removed. If your video now shows natural camera shake, then the stabilization has been successfully turned off. And that's it. Now you know how to remove the stabilization in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.